and today we're going to review Flip and Change Grimwalk. But first, I want you to know that my cousin Roy has another channel, so you can visit him anytime. And please don't forget to subscribe him and leave a like to him and leave a comment too. That's for mine too. Give me subscribe me please. Leave a I just only need some 20 likes please and some 2 comments, because every video I make I got no comments. Really weird and disgusting. And the first step is tails like this. Yep. And flip him like this. He didn't actually transform very well. There we go. But you can also transform him, and it's a hard step. Not by flip and change him. And it's going to be like this if you want to. It's kind of hard because it's brand new. It's like this. First, you're gonna bend him like that, and the tail like this, like that, and put it together. And second, the right face, then the left face, then put them together, and it's a dinosaur. It's the hard part. Okay, today it's just by 2 minutes, and please don't forget to comment, subscribe me, and please leave a like. I mean, okay. Yeah, okay. I get wrong sentences. And please give me some 20 likes. I better get some 20 subscribers. Okay, goodbye everyone, and have a nice day or night or afternoon. Goodbye.